I don't know what goes on in your house, but in my house, cleaning gloves, can never find them when I need them. I think my children take them. I found these, and the reason I was sold on these, the reason I bought these is because they come in different sizes, which I never, ever, ever, ever see in cleaning gloves. I have tiny little baby infant hands, and whenever I put on cleaning gloves, they're massively too big, and I hate them. I hate them because I don't want them all. They're like this. I guess those are what normal people's size hands look like. I don't know, but they never fit me. So these are smalls. We're gonna see if a small will fit me. I also really loved the colors. If you gotta do chores, you might as well look cute doing them. And if I can get it in pink, yes, please. They come individually wrapped. Weird smell. Not rubber. Tea. They smell like tea. Coneflower blue, olive green, violet, rose pink, my favorite. These are actually such fun colors. Alrighty, let's try them on. The inside feels very soft. Sometimes when I get gloves, they have a weird inside texture. Can't do it, cannot do it. These fit perfectly. It fits. I am absolutely shocked that these fit my hands. My hand now looks like child-sized, but I can't help it that I'm little. No, these are amazing. They fit perfectly. There's not even any hangover in the fingers, and it just fits comfortably. It's a little tight around my knuckles when I flex because I fat and small hands. I don't know why. So it's a little tight through here, but I suspect that those will loosen up as I use them more often. These are great. These are fantastic. They go down midway. Here is my elbow, and they go to here. So it's covering up the majority of my wrist, which is quite nice. Comfortable and adorable. Love these. And they fit. These come in 3 different sizes. Maybe they came in a 4th size. If you have child size hands, go with the small. If you have normal size hands, probably a medium. And if you have larger than average, large. And if there was an extra large, go with the extra large. But these are only going to fit very small hands. They have a texture on them, so you can get a good grip of things. I don't know what you're holding and carrying on with that you need texture on these things, but they have them. They feel very strong. And again, they don't smell like latex. They don't feel like a balloon either. You know how some of them feel like a balloon, but they are stretchy like a balloon, but they don't feel like a balloon. They have a different kind of texture than that, and the inside is soft. Which of these colors is your favorite color for gloves? And while you're at it, telling me your favorite glove color, tell me what your least favorite chore is. If you're not subscribed to my channel, do that now, please, because we review odd things like gloves. Who even gives a second thought to cleaning gloves? Well, I do, because I want them to fit, and maybe you do too. And that's why you want to subscribe. These will be linked for you below. They're a great deal, and you get 4 pairs. They're going to last a while. See you real soon.